Have you ever wondered about the hidden challenge of menstrual hygiene in Nigeria, Africa, and other parts of the world? Improper disposal and period poverty has been a rampant situation in Nigeria, causing a dangerous cycle.
Hi, we are Team PrimeCoders. My name is Ngeri Nengam.
Waritimi Gabila.
We are here to talk to you about menstrual hygiene. According to UNICEF, there are over 40 million girls and women in Nigeria within the period age range. The cost of a pack of powder between the prices of 1,500 and 3,500. This means that a woman spends up to 18,000 naira to 45,000 naira annually. As we all know, there are women who go through heavy flow. This means that they have to buy up to 2 to 3 packs of pads a month. This is unaffordable for the common woman, especially when the National Bureau of Statistics has confirmed that 63% of Nigerians are below the poverty line of less than $1 a day, which is equivalent to 1,500. This leads women to using pads for an extended period or using unclean materials such as wrapper as substitutes for pads. This can cause severe infections like urinary tract infections and vaginal bacteriaceae, according to the World Health Organization.
Also, for those who can afford these pads, improper disposal is a major problem in Nigeria, causing these pads to clog our gutters and waterways and leading to urban flood, making our grounds a breeding platform for diseases. And when these pads are burnt, the toxins they release cause respiratory illnesses to man. Although there are reusable pads in the market, it's not hygienically safe to wash, dry, and use again. That is why we came up with our solution, a two-in-one battery-powered system to help for safe and sustainable use This is a two-in-one battery-powered compartment, the menstrual hygiene machine. Is divided into two different compartments, the washing and draining compartments and the sterilizing compartment. I'm taking you through the washing compartment. Now, in this washing compartment, we have two buttons. The yellow button there, when clicked upon, it's the geared motor spins the blade to enhance washing and rinsing process. And when the green button is clicked upon, the DC pump drains the water out, allowing the water to flow completely down. They are all powered by the 12-volt battery and controlled by the Arduino Uno microcontroller. Now I'll be taking you through the washing process. As you can see, the blade is spinning and it's programmed for 5 seconds. The draining compartment is also programmed for 5 seconds.
Okay, the sterilization compartment. The sterilization compartment consists of a UVC light of 4 watts, 260 nanometers, a DC fan which extracts heat from the compartment. We have two servo motors right here which controls the door for opening and closing. We also have a UVC light sensor which senses when the UVC light is on and makes sure that the door is locked. We also have another lock mechanism that makes sure that the door is locked, and this is controlled by a ESP32 microcontroller by the 12-volt battery. So I'm going to show you how the UVC light works, how it works. We have a dashboard for it. As you can see, we have two buttons here, period, color, and sterilization mode. But I'm going to be taking you on the sterilization mode. As you can see, we have four bulbs here. This yellow stands for standby. This green represents when the UV light is done sterilizing. This blue stands for when sterilization is in process, and this stands for the active UVC light. So, see, I'm going to show you how it works with the UVC test card. When it's under the UVC light, it's supposed to glow. So this is for door open, this is door close, and this is time for sterilizing. As you can see, it's glowing. And as you can see, we have a timer for 15 seconds. And also when we are sterilizing, when the UV light is in process, the door is not supposed to be open.
So in the dashboard, we have two buttons. We have the period color and the sterilization mode. You have already seen the sterilization mode, so let me take you through the period color. You can see there are different period colors and what it means. I'll take you through just one of the period colors, which is the crimson red. This indicates that your period is normal. On average, the period length is between 28 to 35 days, and the flow should require roughly one regular pad every 3 to 4 hours. You are safe. This is simply trying to tell us that if you have this kind of period color, you're safe and you shouldn't really be worried. Thank you.
A machine doesn't just wash and sterilize, it removes financial burden, it eliminates environmental hazards from reusable parts, and it guarantees safety from infection.
Our solution offers a safe path forward for menstrual hygiene in Nigeria, Africa, and other parts of the world, supporting the SDG 3 goal, which states that good health and well being. Thank you.